Another day, another story. Greetings and welcome to this exciting episode about the history of virtual currencies. Today, we will be discussing the first virtual currency to emerge on the scene, Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group of individuals using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. This new form of currency was designed to operate independently of central banks or governments, using decentralized technology known as blockchain. At the time of its creation, few people had even heard of virtual currencies. But Bitcoin quickly gained popularity, and by 2011 it had become the first decentralized virtual currency to gain widespread attention and acceptance. What makes Bitcoin so special is its decentralization and its use of blockchain technology. With traditional currencies, transactions are verified by a central authority, such as a government or bank. But with Bitcoin, transactions are verified through a network of computers, making it a much more secure and transparent form of currency. One of the key features of Bitcoin is that it is finite in supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, and this scarcity has helped to drive up its value over the years. Another important aspect of Bitcoin is its ability to operate outside of government or central bank control. This has made it a popular choice for individuals who value privacy and financial freedom, and it has also made it a target of controversy and criticism from some quarters. Despite this, Bitcoin has continued to grow and evolve, and it has paved the way for a multitude of other virtual currencies to emerge. Today, Bitcoin remains one of the most well-known and widely used virtual currencies, and its impact on the world of finance and technology is undeniable. Thank you for joining us for this episode about the first virtual currency, Bitcoin. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Thanks for watching.